Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Easy English channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss article writing concept. In this section, friends, I will tell you how to write an article and some points which have to be followed while writing article in your exam. It's also a part of writing skill section, so you can get good marks while answering this question, and it is very easy to write an article. Just you have to plan it for 1 or 2 minutes. The moment you plan your article, you can finish off your article within less amount of time, and you can share good points also. So let's begin how to write an article. So first of all, give a suitable or catchy or an interesting title to your article. First of all, heading, you have to give title to your article, then start writing. Begin with a striking sentence. Whenever you start a paragraph or whenever you start an article, try to introduce your paragraph or article with an interesting sentence which catches reader's attention, and it creates a motivation in his mind to read your paragraph in interesting mood. Then support your ideas strongly. So whenever you share your ideas, some points regarding your article, so try to support your article's ideas strongly. For that, you have to read newspapers, you have to chalk out the information. For this, you have to keep reading the newspapers and keep reading the good books. So if you have heaps of information, that means lots of information in your mind, then you can share good points in your article. Try to use linking words, or we can say connecting words. So linking words or connecting words help you out to correlate your sentence easily. These are the linking words like although, however, in order to. There are more words you can use. So linking words or connecting words help your paragraph or help your points to correlate with each other, and it helps reader also to understand what exactly you want to express in your article. Next, introduce new point at the beginning of each paragraph. So whenever you introduce a new paragraph, try to introduce a new point or new idea in each paragraph. So it helps you to captivate the reader's mind. So reader will try to fetch out like what's new he has introduced in this paragraph, and this will help you out to captivate reader's attention throughout the paragraph. Next, develop new ideas in an interesting way. So whenever you develop your ideas, so try to make it a bit interesting, so that reader or examiner will attract with your paragraph. Next, conclude with strongest point. So whenever you conclude or close your article, try to conclude or close your article with strong point. And next is marks will be awarded for. So now here you can see what are the marks awarded. So you have to follow the format title plus writer's name. So in article writing, you don't have to follow a big format. You have to just give the suitable title to your article and then start writing your contents, and at last you can mention your name, or you can write XYZ. Nowadays, like they say that a student should not mention his name in an article, so you can write XYZ or something, right? This is how you have to write your article. Then content should be relevance. Relevance means like if you have taken a paragraph on women empowerment, so your paragraph should be like correlated with the women empowerment and women's strength, their jobs, their career, their what are the fields they are working in, and there are more points. But you have to be talk about only women empowerment. In women empowerment, you cannot enter politics, you cannot enter some maths or something. So don't put a relevant topic. Logical organization. Your paragraph should be logically organized or well systematic, so that whenever a person reads your paragraph, he should understand, yes, in this is the starting, this is the middle content or body section, and this is the conclusion part or a closing section. So try to make your paragraph well organized, well systematic. That will help you or reader also to make your paragraph interesting. Last expression, accuracy and fluency. So whenever you write your article, try to frame short sentences, try to make your sentences more interesting, and one more thing, try to express or try to share only one point in each sentence. Do not go for long sentences. This will create more grammatical errors. So avoid grammatical errors or some kind of mistakes. Prepare short sentences or short ideas, so that you can share a good points in your article. And fluency, try to be fluent in your language. So whenever you write your paragraph, choose good words. For that you have to enhance your vocab and enhance your word power. So if you use interesting words, everyone can judge the level of your English. So these are the points you have to follow, friends. I hope you have understood the concept of article writing. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day. Do subscribe Easy English channel to get latest videos on your screen. And I hope you are watching this writing skill section of our channel and you will like it. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.